My husband kasi, he's visionary. So, he wants the other pet business owners to come in one. Parang, to be a community. And you need to separate yung personal life and the business life or the marriage.
Hi Village Mate! Welcome to Village Talk. I'm Laika.
And I'm Kazaya, and today we're going to talk about something interesting. And syempre, hindi impossible without the person behind the story.
So, sasamaan tayo ng one of the owners and person behind Pet Village.
Oh, so let's all welcome
Miss Kim Labrera!
Yay! Yeah, thank you so much for that, Laika and
Thank you so
Kes.
much.
Feeling ko nasa Tony Talks Actually, finally natuloy na din to, guys.
Yes.
No? Oh, so, thank you for inviting me. Wow, baliktad yata. Okay. So, ano ba mapag-uusapan natin
So,
today,
simulan
guys?
po na namin siyempre, how are you mom today?
Okay. I'm feeling good. Ay, wow. Thank you so much. Kasi akala ko nasa Tony Talks ako. Village Talks pala. Sorry. Okay.
Close
Yeah, with the talks. Okay. I'm fine. Kayo, kamusta naman kayo?
We're doing great.
Yeah, maganda pa rin. Siyempre.
guys.
Sila pala yung host. Ay, ako pala yung host. Alright.
So, ito mo na
guys.
kami, Miss Kim, ha?
Yeah.
So, may first question lang po kami.
Sure.
So, why Pet Village, ma'am? Kasi kapag, personally, kapag naisip ko
Oo.
or naririnig ko yung Pet Village, feeling ko parang maraming dogs or vet siya or clinic po. So,
Yeah.
bakit yung Pet Village po yung brand name nyo? And parang medyo malayo po kasi siya sa inyo.
True. Oo nga eh. Ako nga parang shelter. Actually, oo, tinanong ko din yan actually with my husband, Jaser. Bakit nga Pet Village? Kasi we are selling, di ba, pet products. Specifically, the dog biscuits and then yung mga deli tops. My husband kasi, he's visionary. So, yung Pet Village, it's from the word itself, village. So, he wants the other pet business owners to come in one. Parang, to be a community. Oo. It's more on, mamaya i-discuss natin. I-discuss natin. It's about helping the MSMEs, specifically the pet owners, to come in one platform para doon na sila magbenta, doon sila mag-sell. So, yun yung, he wants to grow with them. Kaya Pet Village yung pangalan niya. So, it's a village ng mga pet owners. So,
Deep meaning pala po siya. Hindi lang siya basta connected dun sa...
Pet business owners, yeah.
So, yun nga, Miss Kim, minention niyo po kanina na with your husband.
Oo.
So, ayan, curious lang kami kung meron kayong mga struggles sa pagbubuo ng Pet Village. Or
Oo.
mga di
Misunderstanding.
Oo. Actually, mahirap yan na tanong kasi sabi nga nila kapag partners kayo in life and then partners din kayo in business. So, marami kaming hindi pagkakaintindihan, especially kapag may mga business decision, may mga egos, ganyan. So, kailangan, first, acknowledge it. You're a human. Hindi kayo laging okay, di ba? And you need to separate yung personal life and the business life or the marriage. So, kung business to, syempre, sino ang boss? Sabi ko nga kahapon sa mga staff namin na pag dito sa business, ang husband ko ang boss. Pero pag sa bahay, ako naman yung boss. Ganon.
That's good.
So, it's balance. So, pagdating sa business matter, business decision, so siya yung may mainly parang say on that. But I also suggest, and we balance it naman. So, at the end of the day, we meet halfway and kailangan namin mag-decide para sa business. Yun.
may
So,
follow-up
ganun
questions lang din ako, Miss Kim. Kasi curious ako dun sa sinabi niya ng mga decisions.
Oo.
So, meron po ba kayong mga decisions dito sa business niyo na parang
Saliwa.
Na parang saliwa?
Saliwa.
Oo. Marami actually. Pero yun nga yung sabi ko na kailangan naming i-balance ano yung mga pros and cons nito. And kailangan namin mag-meet halfway, mag-decide at the end of the day kung ano yung pinaka-better para sa business. Yun. So
That's
yung
good.
mga ganong usapan. Oo.
Pero curious lang kami, ma'am. Ano
Yes.
yung mga, ano yung first product na nabenta niyo po?
Okay. Parang naikwento ko na siya before in the kitchen. Hindi ko alam kung kayo
Pet Village, always providing the best for your pets.